The finalists for the Issa Ben Francis knockout competition will be decided on Thursday. Five-time champions of Cornwall College will travel to Drax Hall, where they'll take on McGraw High, the 2023 winners. It is 2 games before the trophy will be handed out, but Cornwall's coach Hector Wright knows the good it would do for the West if they should go all the way.
I mean a lot to the boys. I mean a lot to the boys and to the school. I mean winning a cup is always good. I mean all the work that we've been doing over the summer, for 6 months now. I'm pretty sure bringing home a trophy, is always a plus. So I'm just hoping that the guys have the same, keep the same mindset, going into the semi-finals, and we can come up with a victory and go into the finals.
The second semi-final will see Clarendon College going up against the Manning's School at Stets, also at 3 p.m. Clarendon College, who have won the title on 4 occasions, were in the final last season but were beaten by Stets. They'll face a Manning's team that has never contested the final of the competition but are up for the contest.
It is good for us as a team, and it is good for the institution, and it is good for Westmoreland in general, because you would have observed exactly what is it that we would have went through with Hurricane Melissa. But definitely this is one for the parish, and of course the institution really can't tell when we ever reach this far in a Ben Francis competition, and it is really a good step in the right direction.